And leaders say the Hoover Met Complex is giving a big boost to the economy. WVTM 13's Erin Kelly breaks down the numbers from a new report.
It's been 3 years since Hoover City leaders voted to spend around $80 million for an expanded sports complex, a move some weren't sure was worth the money. City Councilor Mike Shaw says a new report shows it was the right call.
Obviously, that's a lot of money, and people are very concerned about that, but I think what this is showing is that the project has been shown to be worth it, and it's having a significant economic impact.
A presentation to the council this week shows the Hoover Met Complex had an economic impact from October to May of more than $31 million, beating an earlier estimate by more than $17 million. Shaw says while the complex isn't making a profit yet, it's ahead of schedule.
It's been difficult to convey to the public just how much of an impact this facility has been having, because unless you're out there and you see these events, you don't realize that we have thousands of people there on a weekend.
According to the report, the event with the highest turnout was SEC Fan Fest, with more than 32,000 in attendance, and trade shows brought in about 20,000 people. Leaders say the success of the Met Complex helps cities outside of Hoover too, as visitors spend money on hotel rooms and restaurants. In Hoover, Erin Kelly, WVTM 13.